Welcome back to Wheel-Wise Joe, and if you love ATVs, compact power, and smart off-road machines, stay with me because the next few minutes are going to be exciting. Today we're talking about the all-new 2026 Honda TRX125, a machine that's designed to bring confidence, control, and pure riding fun to a whole new generation of ATV riders. Honda has always been known for reliability and rider-focused engineering, and the TRX125 continues that tradition in a big way, even though it comes in a smaller, more approachable package. The 2026 Honda TRX125 is built for riders who want an easy-to-handle ATV without sacrificing performance. Whether you're a beginner, a young rider stepping up, or someone who wants a lightweight trail companion, this ATV feels like it was made just for you. The compact frame makes it easy to maneuver on tight trails, while the balanced design keeps it stable on uneven terrain, dirt paths, and light off-road conditions. Honda's focus on smooth power delivery really shines here. The TRX125 offers predictable acceleration that doesn't feel jerky or overwhelming, which makes riding safer and more enjoyable. You can feel confident rolling on the throttle, knowing the ATV will respond smoothly whether you're cruising slowly or picking up a bit of speed on open ground. Comfort is another area where the 2026 TRX125 stands out. The seating position feels natural, the handlebars are well placed, and the controls are simple and intuitive. This makes longer rides less tiring and helps new riders learn faster. Everything feels exactly where it should be, which is something Honda consistently gets right. Durability is a major reason riders trust Honda, and the TRX125 is no exception. It's built to handle rough use, dust, mud, and daily riding without constant maintenance worries. This ATV is designed to be ridden, not babied, which makes it perfect for families, farms, trail riders, and recreational users. Safety is clearly a priority as well. The manageable size, controlled power, and stable handling all work together to create a confident riding experience. This is an ATV that encourages skill development while keeping things under control, especially for newer riders. Overall, the 2026 Honda TRX125 feels like a smart, practical, and fun ATV that fits perfectly into Honda's lineup. It's proof that you don't need a massive engine to have a great time off-road. If you're looking for a dependable, easy-to-ride ATV that still delivers excitement, the TRX125 is definitely worth your attention. This is Wheel-Wise Joe bringing you real talk on real machines. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more ATV content coming your way.